Welcome to our quick dive into CPQ, or Configure Price Quote software. So, CPQ, what does it do? CPQ is a powerful sales tool that helps companies generate accurate and customized quotes rapidly. It integrates seamlessly with CRM and ERP systems to ensure data accuracy and efficiency. By automating pricing, configurations, and approvals, CPQ eliminates errors and speeds up the sales process, allowing sales teams to focus more on selling and less on administrative tasks. Today, we'll demonstrate the quick process of putting together a quote in Infor CPQ. We start by creating a new quote for our customer and select who that customer is. We can choose from a list that's either imported from ERP or CRM, or can add customers as we go. We also have the opportunity to select an appropriate contact to whom this quote should be directed, and a ship to address if different from the billing address. At this point, we can add our items, which takes us to a product catalog. We can see an assortment of products here in a menu on the left-hand side to help us navigate. We also have the opportunity to simply type in what it is we're looking for and configure from there. At this point, we've opened up the configuration screen, and we can see on the left-hand side, we can start making selections for this building that we are configuring. On the right-hand side, we can see a static image is displayed. As we move through the configuration, we'll see that there are options for other types of imagery. As we answer the questions in the configuration process, the system is only allowing us to choose from options that are actually manufacturable, which is where the dramatic reduction in quoting and ordering errors comes into play. Now we can see I have the opportunity to create a role schematic based on my selections, which is demonstrated here. We also see, barely down here on the right, that our final configured price is this $13,000 number, and we hit finish. This takes us back to our quote. We can see our outbuilding is here, and if it's good to go to the customer, it's as simple as converting to an order. We confirm yes, and then we have one final opportunity to review what we've put together here on this quote. Everything looks accurate, so we go to the Place Order button, and the order has been submitted successfully. That wraps up our overview and brief demo of CPQ software. With CPQ, creating quotes, configuring products, and converting to an order becomes one streamlined process that enhances sales efficiency and accuracy. For more information, visit us at renaissancetech.com or reach out to us directly at contact@renaissancetech.com.